In the fast-paced world of modern warfare, military technology is constantly advancing, pushing the limits to give soldiers and tactical teams a decisive edge on the battlefield. In this video, we're showcasing 28 incredible tactical military gear and gadgets you must have, from cutting-edge communication tools to state-of-the-art protective gear. These powerful innovations not only boost performance in the field, but also reflect a deep commitment to staying at the forefront of military excellence. It's all about keeping service members equipped, prepared, and always one step ahead. So, let's jump right in and check them out. Designed for those who face danger head-on so others don't have to, the RTS Tactical Mini Shield Carrier System delivers serious protection in a compact, tactical package. Engineered specifically for law enforcement and active shooter scenarios, it offers Level 3 plus rifle threat protection, and it's NTOA approved, meaning it's been field tested and trusted by real professionals. What really sets this system apart is its portability. This isn't a clunky slab of armor. You've got multiple carry options to match the situation. Sling it over your shoulder like a backpack, carry it like a laptop bag, or grab the side handle briefcase style. However you need to move, it moves with you. Built with rugged hexagonal DWR ripstop fabric, it's water resistant and made to take a beating. The smart design also prioritizes speed and accessibility. The handle stays exposed even when the shield is stowed, so you're never caught scrambling when every second counts. Whether you're operating solo or moving in with a team, the mini shield carrier has your back. This isn't just another piece of gear, it's a purpose-built, American-made system trusted by agencies nationwide. If you need a shield that's as mobile and mission-ready as you are, this is it. The Aimpoint COA is a cutting-edge red dot sight designed specifically for concealed carry handguns. Engineered for reliability, performance, and ease of use, it's a perfect fit for both slimline and full-size pistols. Its ultra-lightweight yet rugged construction, crafted from high-strength 775 T6 aluminum, offers exceptional durability without adding unnecessary bulk. Featuring a crisp 3.5 MOA dot reticle and an outstanding 50,000-hour battery life, the COA is built for extended use in everyday carry and professional applications. The fully enclosed design shields the LED emitter from rain, dust, and debris, while its waterproof rating down to 25 meters ensures dependable performance in the harshest environments. The low-profile frame maximizes field of view, allowing for enhanced situational awareness and quicker target acquisition. With 8 daylight brightness settings and 4 night vision compatible modes, it adapts seamlessly to any lighting condition. The innovative A-cut mounting system offers rock-solid stability and quick, hassle-free installation. Even better, the battery can be replaced without removing the optic. No need to re-zero. Backed by Aimpoint's trusted legacy with military, law enforcement, and civilian users alike, the COA is redefining what you can expect from a concealed carry optic. Built for demanding environments, the Hakes Black Eagle Tactical 2.0 is all about comfort, durability, and performance. Designed for law enforcement, military personnel, and first responders, it combines lightweight textile with tough leather to deliver both strength and flexibility. At 8 inches tall, it offers solid ankle support without sacrificing mobility. Thanks to the Gore-Tex lining, your feet stay dry and comfortable. It's fully waterproof, yet breathable. One of its standout features is the built-in climate system, which acts like a mini air conditioner for your feet, keeping them cool and fresh throughout the day. The cushioned insole and shock-absorbing design provide running shoe-level comfort, making long shifts easier on your feet. Its anti-slip outsole grips reliably on a variety of surfaces, offering added safety in challenging conditions. And with the convenient side zipper, you can take them on or off in seconds without compromising the snug fit. Overall, sun-reflective leather reduces heat buildup, keeping your feet cooler in hot conditions. Whether you're in the field or on patrol, the Hakes Black Eagle Tactical 2.0 delivers the comfort, support, and toughness you need to stay sharp on the job. If you're looking for a rugged timepiece in the premium tier, the MTM Vulture stands out as a top contender. Crafted with a solid titanium case, it offers exceptional durability while remaining impressively lightweight. Paired with scratch-resistant sapphire crystal and water resistance down to 660 feet, it's built to conquer any environment. What truly sets it apart? 4 instantly activated tactical light modes, ideal for illumination, signaling, or mission-critical operations. Whether you're in the wild or on a covert assignment, this feature is designed to perform when you need it most. Powered by a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 4 months with regular use, the MTM Vulture is always mission-ready. And when it's time to recharge, simply plug into a USB port, DC power source, or standard AC outlet for a quick boost. This isn't just a watch, it's a trusted tactical ally built for those who demand peak performance, adaptability, and relentless reliability. Built for demanding tactical and field use, the Streamlight Sidewinder X is a tough, high-performance flashlight designed to handle rugged conditions. Featuring a 185-degree tilting head and a secure gear clip, it allows for easy hands-free lighting adjustments. This right-angle flashlight includes multiple LED options: white, infrared, and colored, each offering 5 modes: high, 2 medium levels, low, and strobe, making it versatile for a wide range of scenarios. The white LED delivers impressive power with 275 lumens, a beam distance of 113 meters, and 3,200 candela. For added convenience in the field, the Sidewinder X operates on either AA alkaline or CR123 lithium batteries, offering flexibility depending on your available power source. At maximum brightness, it runs for just under 5 hours with AA batteries and nearly 3 hours on a CR123A. Despite its rugged construction, the Sidewinder X remains lightweight and easy to carry or mount. Its durable design, adaptable lighting options, and reliable performance make it an ideal tool for military personnel, law enforcement, and outdoor adventurers who need dependable illumination in challenging environments.